Thanks for visiting. We're proud to show you this 2014 Ram 1500. On the driver's side we have power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power folding mirrors. Here's your dash. On this leather wrapped steering wheel we have your Bluetooth as well as your dash controls and your stereo sound system controls just behind, and your cruise control. In the center we have your AM and FM radio as well as your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. Controls driver and passenger heated seats as well as vented seats and a heated steering wheel. You also have dual climate control, navigation, Bluetooth, and more settings. Just below that is all your dials and your traction control, your dial shifter, and your four-wheel drive. Some storage with a power outlet. Some storage in here with your USB and auxiliary. And in the glove box you have your manual and some extra storage space. In the back we have your 20-inch all-season alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, and dual exhaust. And you've got your backup camera right there. In the back you have decent sized legroom as well as a little bit of storage behind both seats. You also have a center power outlet and a center armrest with cup holders. And up top is your DVD player. Once again we have those 20-inch all-season alloy wheels, and up top is your integrated turn signals. Coming to the front we have your daytime running lights, fog lights, and front parking sensors.